All right, so I'm up on the roof, and just inspected the roof, and it's in pretty good shape. What we have is asphalt roll roofing, and it's not in bad shape. Although it certainly would benefit from being coated by uh, uh, silver coating is what everybody calls it, but it's a UV protectant, protects the asphalt from the sunlight, and prolongs the life of the roof. So I think it could benefit from that. There's a little bit of cracking in some of this, the transition or the determination of the roofing where it comes up this is basically the chimney, but the parapet wall here as well. But it's not terrible. Like, it should maybe reseal that with roofing tar, or even an aluminum flashing over that seam would be even better. But yeah, I mean, that's basically all this will need is some roof coating and some tar at the seams. Chimneys need a little bit of work. Actually, I'm sorry, this is not a chimney. This is just a decorative part of the corner of the parapet. But anyways, there is some signs of past repair and some loose bricks and loose mortar, so that would need a little bit of work, as well as this. There's no counter flashing here, so that would need to be sealed. So basically, it's like some of the flashing needs some work, and the chimney is a little bit. You have some deteriorated mortar joints here. And this is actually the chimney. You can see the mortar joints are pretty bad, and bricks are loose. Chimney crown is pretty much non-existent at this point. This part does protect water from getting down in the chimney and actually making this worse than it already is. Chimney cap on each of those flues certainly wouldn't be a bad idea either. So I'll mention this vent here is actually a roof vent. This goes into the space above the ceilings, and if you look inside of it, you can actually see down in there. So there probably at one point was a cap on it like that one, but it's now missing, so water can actually go directly into the house from there, so that would need to be repaired. This facade here on the front, these green shingles, seem to be in relatively good condition. This porch roof down below, that's asphalt roll roofing as well. I didn't get down there yet. I started up here, but I will check that out, and if there's anything majorly wrong with it, it'll be in the report. So let's I would mention too that the capping here on this wall, this terracotta capping, is missing a couple pieces here. I think the fact that it has this concrete, that it's set in concrete and that's still there, is sort of keeping it from getting worse. There's a small section of metal roofing here, and the metal looks okay. You can also coat the metal roofing to keep it from rusting, to prolong its life. Really, the only thing is the flashing here up against the house. It was repaired with roofing tar, but you can see that roofing tar cracked. So I would recommend, fastening that and somehow sealing that up to prevent water from going in. Looks like maybe the whole top along here could use a good seal with some caulking. So down here again is some asphalt roll roofing. There's a significant amount of moss growing here, which can affect drainage as well as the life of the roof, so that should be cleared off. There's actually like a rug on there. A lot of it is on that rug, so I think get rid of that and clean off the rest. It should be fine, and that as well should be coated. And yeah, so overall roof's in pretty good shape. A little bit of maintenance work, and a little bit of work on the chimneys, and yeah, that's about it.